Welcome to week 1 of Building Systems. Today we start with plumbing, the system everyone depends on but rarely sees. We'll learn what it does, the materials it's built from, and how those choices affect cost, coordination, and safety. Plumbing brings clean water in and takes waste safely out. Plumbers coordinate tightly with structural, HVAC, and finish trades. If sleeves are missed before concrete, that's a costly mistake. Which trades do plumbers depend on before they can start roughing? Plumbing breaks into 3 main subsystems: pressurized domestic water supply, gravity-drained sanitary waste and vent, and stormwater from roofs and site drains. Supply is under pressure, waste and storm rely on slope. Which of these uses gravity, and which needs pressure? Installation happens in 3 stages: service entry before the slab, rough-in before walls close, and finish once surfaces are complete. Missing any coordination early can delay finishes. Every pipe you see on site, PVC, CPVC, PX, copper, cast iron, or steel, was chosen for a reason: cost, pressure rating, temperature, or code. Which of these do you think is the most expensive? Which installs fastest? PVC and CPVC look similar, white and cream, but CPVC handles hot water. Both are solvent welded. PX is flexible and fast, installed with crimp fittings. Why might a plumber choose PX over rigid pipe? Copper is still common in commercial buildings. It's durable, antimicrobial, and resists corrosion. We join it with solder, press fit, or compression. What problems can occur if the joint is overheated? Cast iron has been used for centuries for waste lines. It's heavy, quiet, and fire-resistant. Above ground, we use no-hub couplings. Underground, bell and spigot. Why might a hospital or multi-story building still specify cast iron instead of PVC? Steel pipe, strong and rugged, shows up in gas, sprinkler, or mechanical systems. It's threaded or welded, but heavy to install and prone to corrosion. Where have you seen steel pipe used recently? These are the pieces that make layouts work. The trap keeps sewer gas out, reducers change size, elbows change direction. Which of these fittings would you use to tie a sink drain into a larger main? Valves control flow. Gate valves are full open or full closed. Ball valves operate with a quick quarter turn. Globe valves regulate flow. Check valves prevent backflow. If a contractor needs to throttle water flow precisely, which valve works best? These are the end points of the system. Fixtures are grouped by function: restroom cores, locker rooms, kitchens. Which fixtures require both hot and cold supply? Each tag on a drawing ties back to this schedule. It tells the contractor the manufacturer, model, and flow rate. Learning to read these tags saves hours in coordination. Codes protect public health. The Uniform Plumbing Code sets national standards. Massachusetts modifies it under 248 CMR. Plumbing falls under Division 22 of CSI. Why might a state restrict a material even if UPC allows it? We've seen the systems, materials, and codes that make plumbing safe and functional. In lab, you'll trace these systems on the meeting street drawings. If you were the GC choosing materials for a project, which would you specify and why?